Hello, Namaste everyone. Welcome to viewers, friends on this online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today, me Silal Mato going on the topics of social studies, grade 10. On the unit of 1, chapter 1 means chapter 1 of unit 1 of class 10. So, the topics of chapter 1 class 10 seems to be human resource development. We know very well the world is dynamic. It is the continuous and progressive systems of the human beings where there is develops of directly indirectly the formations of human resource, the formations of society. So we come to know that society is consists of skill, semi-skill, on-skill, where the various of the functions, various of the activities are handled directly or indirectly. It reveals that development is the process, continuous process or progressive process of the human beings, where there seems to be changes in some of the durations due to the science and technology. Now let's come ahead. Human resource, types of human resource. Actually, types of human resource is based upon the terms, based upon the skills. It reveals that human resource is divided into 3 categories on the basis of skill, on the basis of ability, on the basis of ability. The human resources who are uneducated comes under the unskilled human resource. The human resource or the manpower who requires unskilled, not educated, uneducated, untrained comes under the unskilled human resources. The labor, the servant categories comes under the example of unskilled human resources. Whereas next seems to be semi-skilled human resource. Semi-skilled human resource. Semi-skilled human resource, the manpower who had attained the partially skilled, partially trained, partially education's ability comes under the semi-skilled human resources, which does not seem to be expert in any field. Let us, the examples of semi-skilled human resource seems to be assistants in each of the professions. Next one seems to be skilled human resource. Skilled human resource, the manpower. Here, the manpower I have revealed representing the skill. Nothing difference is between manpower and human resources. So, in Nepali we can say Jan Shakti, Sansadan Shakti. Okay, so human resource. Human resource. Here, skilled human resource seems to be the manpower who had been attained higher skill, experience, qualifications, and had been attained specialized in any field. It's called skilled human resource. For example, doctor, teacher, engineer comes under the example of skill human resources, whereas the human resource is divided into the three categories on the basis of term, duration, time and durations, terms, durations. Those seems to be short term, long term, constant. I mean to tell that the human resource is divided into the three categories in the terms, on the terms, on the durations, or on the basic of time. Let's see short term. The human resources which has been produced for the short period of time in the specific durations comes under the short term. Whatever the manpower which has been involved in agriculture and in tourism sectors in the tourism seasons comes under the example of short term, whereas long term, the manpower or the human resources which has been gained skill, experience, training for long trades in the purpose of serving others is called long term human resource. For example, police, army, civil servant, and so on comes under the examples of long terms. Whereas constant human resource, here constant human resource means though the manpower which has been generated, which has been gained, the skill, knowledge, qualifications, once in his her lives, once in their lives, and some others till the death comes under the constant human resource. The examples of constant human resource are teacher, doctor, and so on. We know very well, human resource is one of the group where there is partially skill, unskilled, semi-skilled, manpowers live together. It reveals that to produce this the human resource, there is needed of the various preparations. So preparations of human resource. Actually, human resource can be prepared by launching, mobilizing different types of programs, self-employed programs, ability-based programs, and interest-based programs. By these the way of creating the manpowers in the different categories, the human resource can be prepared where the development of country can be successful by preparing such the human resources in different sectors. Okay, next one seems to be to prepare next one seems to be human resource management. It reveals that if the human resource is available in the society, of course they should be managed in the systematic way where there will be high chance of develop of the society, high chance of develop of organization. So the human resource management is too important under the human resource development. It says that human resource management is one of the applications of the principle of management, which used to manage the manpower in the organization. Manage the manpower in the organization. Okay. Next, human resource management is one of the administrative functions. It is a routine where it used to guide and supervise the staff, supervise the manpowers in different perspectives. Next one seems to be human resource development. Human resource development is a part of human resource management, where it is the personal development tool. Where it is a personal development, it reveals that human resource development is one of the continuous process of development, where the manpowers is totally well developed with their performance in the organization. Human resource development is one of a part of human resource management, which goes under the routine planning of human resource management. It also reveals that human resource development is one of the sectors where the manpower develops skill, education, and to receives various of the improvement in their ability. Time to time, different trainings is received in the human resource development by human resource management. Okay, next ones. As we have entered the human resource management and human resource development, why human resource is needed? So let's interest toward the need of human resource. Human resource. Why human resource is needed? Human resource is needed to fulfill the demands of all the necessities. Human resource is needed to fulfill the demands of all the necessities. Next one, human resource is needed to fulfill all the matters according to the human resource plan. Next one, human resource is needed to increase the productivity. Next one, it helps to decrease or increase the number of the workers needed in the organizations. And later, the challenges of human resources and their solution. Actually, our country is developing country. Maximum of the Nepalese youth are still in unemployment. We have been seeing the example due to the coronavirus. Various of the Nepalese peoples who had been staying in foreign land are suffering in the pitiable conditions. Still, the government has not been well mentions any diplomatic relations bringing the Nepalese youth from other country. Let's see various of the challenges of the human resources. It reveals that there is a lack of manpower for the development. Later, the lack of manpower can be reduced in the different way if the government will be paid attention upon this. It also said that the effort of government of human resource development through education, health is not effective. That's why the government should be paid attention based upon the education, health, providing the education, providing the proper treatment, where there will be reduce various of the problems of human resources in our country. It is also said that there is a problems in the development of manpower. If different type of training skills is given by the government, of course, the problems could be solved, the challenges could be solved. It also revealed that due to the lack of human resource policy, two, there has been created the problem challenges. If some type of lack of manpowers could be reduced in the different policy, of course, the problems could be solved. Now we have completed the human resource development. Thank you.